Hello Tweedledees and Tweedledudes, Miss Norris here again to bring you a video on classifying triangles. So, just like before, grab a parent, grab a snack, and let's get started. The vocabulary we're going to go over today are triangle, right triangle, acute triangle, and obtuse triangle. Let's start from the very beginning. It was a warm summer's day.
Miss Norris, I'm not a child. Do not insult my intelligence. I know what a triangle is.
I know. Just give me a second to go over with you what you already know about triangles. I know that you know how to pick a triangle out from a lineup of other types of shapes. I know that you know that a triangle is made up of 3 sides and 3 corners. I also know that I can't trick you into thinking that these aren't triangles just by changing their size. So, how do we define a triangle? A triangle is a polygon made up of 3 sides and 3 angles. Don't remember what a polygon is? No worries. Do these guys look familiar? The polygon family are a group of shapes that are closed, have at least 3 sides and 3 angles. So, you might be thinking, where did the name triangle come from? The word triangle comes from the Latin word triangulus. Between us, I think the name triangulus is much more royal and regal, but I guess we can use its more casual name, triangle. When we examine the word triangle, if we split it up, we can split it up into its prefix, tri, which means 3, and angle, which means angle. If we were to burst this triangle up, you would see that it's actually made up of those 3 angles. Now, let's talk about naming triangles. Just like other geometric figures, we have to name our triangles so that you know and I know which ones we're talking about. When naming a triangle, you're going to use its 3 vertices to name it. Ever since triangles rebranded from triangulus to triangle, they've been extremely relaxed in what you can call them. Let me show you what I mean. Our triangle friend here goes by 6 different names. Yes, 6.
Triangle ABC, triangle BCA, triangle CAB, triangle ACB, triangle PAC, and triangle CDA.
So, do you think that you could figure out all 6 of this triangle's names? You may want to pause the video because it's going to be a little awkward of me just staring into the camera and blinking for 30 seconds. So, let's see if you got them all. Triangle XYZ, triangle XZY, triangle YXZ, triangle YZX, triangle ZYX, and triangle ZXY. Awesome! Remember earlier when I told you that I know that I can't trick you into thinking that these aren't all triangles by changing their size? You're right, I can't trick you. I'm not trying to. But something I want you to do is use your super duper detective skills to look at these triangles and see if we can put them into different categories. There are 3 different categories of triangles. The first category of triangles we're going to talk about are called right triangles. In order to be able to recognize a right triangle, you have to be able to recognize a right angle. A right triangle is a triangle that has 1 right angle. We see right triangles in our sandwiches, stairs, and the United Kingdom's national flag. An obtuse triangle is a triangle with exactly 1 obtuse angle. We see obtuse triangles in our clothes hangers, the White House, and this funky piece of art. The cutest types of triangles we're going to talk about today are the acute ones. Pun intended?
Absolutely.
An acute triangle is made up of 3 acute angles. These are the triangles that we see everywhere. Doritos, safety signs, pizza, pool balls, the dollar bill, iPhone backgrounds, watermelon slices, teepees, banners, the YouTube logo, and the Deathly Hallows. And the scariest of them all, the Bermuda Triangle. Now it's your turn. Can you classify this triangle? Did you say acute triangle? Awesome. Can you classify this triangle? Did you say right triangle? Awesome. Can you classify this triangle? Did you say obtuse triangle? Fantastic. Great job. I think you guys have got it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one when we talk all about parallel and perpendicular lines. Bye, guys.